Hey there, my name is Aaron, and I have food. And today we're making my rendition of a bacon, egg, and cheese sandwich. Now you could use scrambled eggs, bacon, and cheese, but I want the eggs to have a bit of a more solid shape to it, kind of like the ones you get in a restaurant. And for that I'm going to use the oven, with the help of some aluminum foil and parchment paper. I'm going to take your aluminum foil, get a good piece, fold it on all sides so it gets a nice rectangular shape, give it some structure, and then start folding up the sides to make a little wall, crumble it up so it has a more stable state, and cut up your pieces so it matches the rectangular aluminum foil piece. Just lay that in there. And for good measure, as you'll see here in a minute, I'm going to spray on some non-stick cooking spray. Now for the eggs themselves, it's good that they're already a fluid when whisked together, but I'm add a little bit of milk. But before that, I'm going to chop up some parsley to put in there. Chop it up pretty fine. I think I chopped a little too big here. You want to go a little bit finer when mixing in with the batter. For this sandwich, I'm going to use 3 eggs. You can definitely go with fewer eggs, but just remember to make your little aluminum pan a bit smaller. I'm going to throw in that splash of milk as mentioned earlier. Give it a nice vigorous whisking. Very good whisking until you see a lot of bubbles. Then we're going to throw in your parsley. And then I'm also going to throw in a few shavings of Parmesan Reggiano. You can use any kind of cheese you want, but I like Parmesan because I like the saltiness that goes with the eggs. Then give that another good whisking. And we are ready to pour the batter. Definitely recommend pouring this batter into a container with a spout. Now to make things easier and to avoid making a mess, place the sheet pan in the oven, pull out the rack, and then carefully pour in your egg batter. If you did your walls right, nothing should spill out. And set this in the oven for 400 degrees for about 10 minutes. The eggs should start to set up. No need to mix around with a fork or spatula, anything like that. Of course, you're going to need some bacon. Frying up some pieces here to place on the sandwich. Alright, 10 minutes have gone by. Time to pull out the eggs. Make sure to pull out any parchment paper. Might seep under. In hindsight, it might be better to use a square piece instead of rectangle. Rectangle has more surface area. But no matter, just fold it onto itself. More thicker piece. And of course you're going to put some cheese on there. I'm using a piece of sharp cheddar. The residual heat from the eggs should melt the cheese pretty good. And now it's time for assembly. Almost forgot to toast the buns. And how about this? How about toasting them in some of the leftover bacon grease? Not a whole lot, but trust me, it comes out really good. Going to lay down the cheese and egg first, of course. I'm going to lay down strips of bacon. And I like to use some fresh preserves on the top bun. Nice sweetness you can add to the flavors. You can use Nutella or any other kind of product, ketchup, mustard, whatever you like. And with that, this sandwich is complete. Bacon, egg, and cheese is always a good combination for the morning. Want to try something different? Something you don't have to go to the fast food place to get. And I hope you all enjoy it and make it yourselves at home. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this breakfast video. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below for any future recipes. Thank you.